Hello, welcome to the Checkmate into chess puzzle. This one was created by C.H. Wheeler in 1877. See that the black king just has 2 pawns and the knight left, whereas white has the king, knight, queen, bishop, and a pawn. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? If you take the knight with the queen on e5, the king can take the knight on g6. You can then move the bishop into g4. The king only has one move to h6. And then you can checkmate in 3 by moving the queen in, but not checkmate in 2. Moving the king to h7 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2, because the king can move up to f6. You move in and check with the queen, but the black king has an escape square. Moving the queen to c5 only gets you a checkmate in 4. King can move to f6. Knights can then be traded off in check with the bishop, and then with the queen, and then finally move in for the checkmate in 4 by the bishop. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. One of the ways to get the checkmate in 2 for white is to move your king to g7. If the black king moves to f5, you can then move the queen in to take the knight on e5 to checkmate in 2. You can also checkmate in 2 by moving the knight to h4. If the king moves to h6 or f4, the queen can move to d2 to checkmate in 2. And if the king moves to f6 or takes the knight on h4, the queen can move to d8 to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.